graph the function and determine the domain and range. H of x equals negative 1/2. So this is a constant function. Its graph is a horizontal line. So let's draw our axes, x, y. We have -1, +1, and -1. And so our graph has to pass through negative 1/2. And so we would draw a line that is horizontal going through negative 1/2 on the y-axis. Well, what about its domain? Well, clearly the domain is the set of all real numbers because this line spans the entire x-axis. So the domain is the set of real numbers. What about the range? Well, the range are the y values, and there is only one y value. It's the value negative 1/2. So the range is negative 1/2.